We want to bring in Kerri Kupec Urbahn, Fox News legal editor and former counselor to former Attorney General Bill Barr. Just going again over the 3 counts. Count 1, false statement in the purchase of a firearm. Count 2, false statement related to information required to be kept by federal firearms licensed dealer. And count 3, possession of a firearm by a person who is an unlawful user of or addicted to a controlled substance. Just pick up where we left off with Jonathan. Karine Jean-Pierre said emphatically no when asked by our Mark Meredith about the potential for a pardon. But we may find out in the days and weeks ahead if blood is indeed thicker than water here.
Yeah, it's going to be pretty interesting. Politics is what got Hunter Biden the sweetheart deal, and politics is what ended the deal as well when DOJ was exposed for what it was and what they did. And picking up on something Jonathan just said, the irony here is that it's highly likely that Hunter Biden and his attorneys are going to have to argue that this provision, this law that's being applied against him in this gun case is unconstitutional, which is in direct, it's very different from what his father is saying.
Clearly, he hasn't got a trial yet. He hasn't been convicted yet. We don't know how this is going to unfold. But should he go to trial and should he be convicted? You know, the president has lost his first son, daughter, first wife. Is he going to let his surviving son go to jail?
Yeah, it's a great question, but Joe Biden is now in a really challenging position because you're right, it is his child, but it's also somebody who violated a law that Joe Biden himself has very much advocated for. And, you know, when we're talking about a 2-tiered system of justice, which is something that many Americans are very upset about, I don't know that Joe Biden can preemptively offer him this pardon, or maybe he can do it later on. But right now, I think it would be a political disaster.
Really interesting. Kerri, thank you so much for joining us.
Hey everyone, I'm Emily Campagno. Catch me and my co-hosts Harris Faulkner and Kaylee McEnany on Outnumbered every weekday at 12 p.m. Eastern, or set your DVR. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page for daily highlights.